hinges.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway,
So the hinges will break.
they will wear and they might break. They might pull the wood out. So just have to be careful.
Right. It's wonderful that you still have this. Peppa.
Okay.
I can't read what it says.
It's you.
Joseph R. Burns, 34 Exchange Place. That was it. Yep. Okay, the good old days.
Mm-hmm.
The mirror, right? Or is that the hologram?
No, it's a mirror. I didn't see that yesterday, but okay. Hologram is here. So there's the hologram. So now what I need to do is, if you took this somewhere, you must recall doing this, right?
I must have.
But
be
you
honest
don't,
with
you don't remember it.
I have no memory.
Yeah, no, that's okay. So I took this out because I couldn't get this tube, which is supposed to slide in and out after you loosen this lock nut, to adjust it or to replace the bulb. So I disconnected the screws that are in the top here, and pulled it out, took the piece off here, the lens, and replaced the bulb with a pair of pliers and a rubber cover for it, and inserted the bulb in and took it out every time I needed to change it because the one that I had in it for some reason didn't work. So
what was supposed to originally happen?
this tube here, like in the other ones,
Yeah, it's
which I
supposed
sent
to be
you
able to come
pictures
out.
of, it's supposed to turn.
So it's probably
and
oxidized.
spin. Yeah, I figured it's been 30 years or more.
Yeah.
Just two pieces of aluminum stuck that can
Did you
happen.
try to crank it with a pair of pliers?
No.
No.
This was 11:30 last night.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
Okay. So this is screw to tighten it in place.
Right.
Okay.
I removed it just to make sure it wasn't in the way of
Okay.
anyway.
And then these holes here are for ventilation. However.
Yeah.
This is the DC power supply for it. Okay. Same kind of bulb.
Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. This goes here.
Yeah, that's right. Because you have the little indentations for the screw in the back.
Right.
Very cool.
Yeah, I didn't see those last night, so
Right. I know. An IQ test trying to figure out how you designed it in the first place.
it's
It can
really
be quite tricky.
remarkably
No, it's very well
simple,
thought out.
and it works. So
Yeah. Yeah.
my colleague Alex Mitchell. When I was a kid, he was a machinist at the company, and we did a lot of cool things together. We built the machines that made graduated color and neutral density filters. We built the machine that made the Easy-C, which I had come up with in the mid-'80s for when they first started having personal computer monitors that were just like typical TVs that had three-dimensional curves, compound curves on the surface and not flat like today, and were not dark black like they are today, so you didn't get black. You got gray because it was a light gray, and were reflective, all shiny, and this eliminated all of those problems. And the materials for it cost us 7 cents, and it ran through, made hundreds a day, just one operator, part-time, working at it. And I designed it, built it, set it up top rate, and I got a few thousand ordered from a big, amongst others, office supply place in Chicago. The owner actually flew out to meet with me. And he wanted to get more. He wanted to see if I would die cut them. One of the, what I thought the selling points were was that it was a piece of vinyl that I embossed a surface on it that made it non-reflective. But because it was directly on the screen, it was so close that the diffuse nature of that didn't soften the image any, so you could still see what was on there, which back then was just either amber, green, or white text.
I remember, yeah.
Okay?
So quick question, do these screws need to be that long?
No, it's what I use for some reason, because
Right.
there's only
It's what you
two
had.
places, I guess. There's only two places they go, and these go in the other place. So I figured this has to go here. They don't need to be that long.
How long do they need to be?
Like that one.
Okay.
That's even shorter.
Yeah,
But,
that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Okay, so let's see.
So do these screws work?
Those are the ones I removed
You
with a
removed,
screwdriver
okay,
in
okay.
order to get
So
this
they did work
out.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's how I changed the bulb.
It looks like you cleaned that too.
I did.
Yeah. Oh look, and there's the bulb. You can see it in there.
Yep.
Okay.
This is a diopter, a +5
Okay.
close-up lens
Okay.
that Tiffen was making.
Right. So that must be what's on the one you made for me.
Yeah, that would be. All right, now.
As I remember, could be wrong, but I think I put the hologram in, out like Forrest, I think I put the hologram in. As I remember, it was on, you could unscrew it someplace?
Well, there's no screws on that,
screw,
but you
okay.
can pry it apart, which is what I
Then maybe I didn't do it.
did the backward. This piece here and this piece here are loose between these two, but they fit tightly. And so you leave this one in, you take this one out, you slide the piece, the hologram out, and then the reverse is put it back in, push this in, push these tightly together because they can bend outward, which is nothing wrong with it. It's just that's not how you want to leave it. So the tricky part here now is getting this to go back on for some reason. Let's see.
So this goes on the back.
Yeah. So this goes over the top.
Okay, I got you. Right, there we go. Yeah. There you go. Right. Oh, I see it. I see the hologram. Of course, the light's over there.
Yeah. Don't want to break it. So this goes like this, and these things, right? This goes over this thing. These holes line up with these holes, and these screws go in here. So this goes over that, which keeps this part from coming out.
Right. So it's like a
Now
little
that
stud.
that's there, right? This goes in here. I can't see whether it's lined up or not. Are you getting yours to thread in?
I'm not sure.
All right, let's see.
So is Alex still alive?
No.
No. So you're missing a screw here, I see.
Yeah. I don't have another one.
Hmm?
I can get another one, but I didn't.
No, of course,
last
of course.
night.
So you need an extension cord?
Well, from here I do, where I was using it last night. I
Okay,
didn't.
how about over here?
I have a little extension cord there, but I don't.
Let's see,
Yeah, I forgot we had to plug this in.
Let's see how far it goes. No, that's not gonna work.
This way, this is.
So you have one, okay.
It's not terribly long.
It's long enough.
Homemade.
Long enough.
I should do this. Okay. Would you have texted me that picture or emailed it?
I think I would have emailed it to you.